Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app, then go to General and About. Copy your iPhone's serial number by pressing and holding on it. Next, open any web browser and visit Apple's official coverage checker. Paste the serial number and search for it. The results should match your iPhone model and display valid Apple information, such as warranty or purchase details. Next, go back to Settings and check if you can sign in with an Apple ID. If you're already signed in, you should see your Apple account along with iCloud options. Genuine iPhones fully support Apple ID, iCloud, and the ability to sign out of your account. Missing these features could indicate a fake device. You should also verify that Siri is available in the Settings app. On supported newer models, you may also see Apple Intelligence options. A genuine iPhone will always include Siri and respond to voice commands. Finally, open the App Store. Real iPhones use Apple's App Store for downloading apps. If you see a different app marketplace, such as the Google Play Store, the device is not running genuine iOS and is likely fake. So that's basically how you can check if your iPhone is original or fake. That's it for this video. Thanks!